Hello guys, I wanna share this message for you. Nang pamagat niya is in God's perfect time. Hindi ka ba nagtataka? The more na kinikilala mo ang Panginoon, the more na parang sumasablay ka sa mga bagay-bagay. Alam mo, hindi ka nag-iisa. It's very normal for a Christians to experience that. Sabi sa salita ng Diyos, God is a light. In Him, there is no darkness at all. Subukan mong pumasok sa isang kwarto na madilim at walang ilaw. Hindi mo malalaman kung marumi yan o malinis, tama ba? Pero kung bubuksan mo ang ilaw, ultimo alikabok, sa kasuluk-sulukan ng kwarto mo, makikita mo, that is how God's light to works in us. The more you seek and know the Lord, the more na ipapakita niya sa iyo kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat maayos sa iyo. Cause before He transform you, He will first reveal what needs to be transformed. So don't get frustrated, my dear friends. Pag sumablay ka sa mga bagay-bagay, it's the ones of God ways of revealing to you. Yun lang. Maraming salamat, mga kapatid. God bless and more power to all of us.